Out for a ride on the V85 MOTO GUZZI after installing the V-Boost. It sure does seem like it made a difference. It idles better, it accelerates faster, it's a lot smoother as you go up through the gears. It actually seems like it has more power. So far so good. I'm gonna ride a little bit more, and I'm down here taking a ride on a dirt road. I'm gonna put it in first gear and see how it chugs along, and hopefully all the situations that I was experiencing are gone, like the hesitancy on the throttle, and so far it's definitely running smoother. So let's get on the bike and we'll see. Pulls away nice and smooth. Before, when I was going this slow in first gear, it would like sputter and pop, and now it's just got a nice smooth feel to it. Slow right down. Doesn't surge anymore like it was doing. Accelerates. Got a little touch of traction control there. Can change that over to the custom mode and turn that traction control off. What a difference. Well, the MOTO GUZZI V85 feels like a new machine with the V-Boost installed. I think that if anybody that owns a V85 and they're not happy with the way the throttles work, the V85 could be updated with the V-Boost from Mistral and MG Cycle. Remember to subscribe if you'd like to see some more videos, and hit the like button if you like this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.